What's going on, everyone? Welcome to my video on how to make your microphone, which is in my case a Blue Snowball ICE, sound professional through OBS. And through doing this, you can use it for streaming, recording, or as I'm going to show you in a later video, how to use these settings as a default microphone across your PC. So the first thing you want to do on the screen right now is go to Settings. You want to make sure the audio, your mic and auxiliary audio, is set to the microphone Blue Snowball, or whatever your default microphone is. And then through this, your mic and auxiliary is here. You press the settings cog, filters, and these are all your filters to use. You can use whatever you want. Personally, I use the noise gate, the compressor, expander, noise suppression, and this plugin called Marvel GEQ. That's just to get a bassier tone to my voice. The noise gate is for when I'm talking and then I stop talking, it'll cause complete silence. I'll give an example now. See, that's complete silence, like there's no audio at all coming through that. The compressor is just to like lower the volume. Down here, when I talk, it's hitting in the perfect mid-range, giving my voice the perfect volume that it needs to have. And the expander like lowers the volume more or raises it. It depends what you have the threshold and output gain on. If you'd like to copy my settings, just pause the video throughout and do it. And for noise suppression, I use the RN noise, which is the better one. You can use SpeedX, but for me personally it seems to not work. And for the plugin, I will put that in the description. I'll show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. For me, I just raised the highs. I could raise the basses, but I speak too close to my mic to play with that really. It would be too bassy. So yeah, I think that's all that really needs to be said. I just wanted to make a video because personally it was really hard to find out how to do this. I watched multiple videos and go across different websites and find out everything before I could figure out how to do it. But if you have any questions, just put them in the comments below and I'll get back to you.